Boral and Abadiano, the 5 on the floor. Orlan Wamar straight to the cup.
In 5 seconds.
Para dito sa Marikina.
I missed that movie, by the way. Got in 60 seconds.
Soriano. Boral lost the handle. Soriano to Casajeros. Berjay with the bump and the miss. Soriano with the rebound. Berjay to Villarente. 2 points. Unable to get that one to drop. Boral inside, able to finish with the left hand. Low wing, Wamar. Orlan gets it to Dexter for 2. Nakakabata daw sabi ni kumbaga in the words of nakakabagets. 31-21, 10 lamang dito.
All I can say is with a heavy heart, good for you. I think the most important thing to add to what you just said, okay, my heart is already with Marie. Okay.
Yes. Wamar on the move, 5 on 2. Alarcon, fly-by, jumper, rattles that one home. Short on the jumper. Abadiano. Abadiano inside. Jerry Abadiano for 2. You know, first time ko nakikita na talagang he knows what, yung kanyang pwesto dito sa San Juan. After all those big games, na kung saan nagpakita siya.
Okay, doon na ako papalo doon sa sinabi mo kanina. Pampabagets. Doon talaga yun.
Yeah, I think some sort of balance of everything.
Right. Yeah, kidding aside, I agree. Yeah. Because there's a level of comfort already. We talked about this off the air. To summarize everything, especially towards the end of that game, that was a close run. Obviously, you covered that game in Caloocan. As Raylan will hit a 3, kakapasok lamang yan. Yeah, like 15, 8, and 7, something like that.
And that's why they're fun to watch. Ngayon, yung San Juan, and even with I've seen this with the great MPBL teams over the years. Like they reach the middle part of the season and they are just walang walang parang lahat ng ibabato mo parang walang
may sagot na sila.
Hindi umubra. I've seen this with
of course
no, last year.
What, 36, right?
Yeah.
36 game winning streak.
It's an extra step for Landayan.
Yeah.
It's so cold in here. And it's blowing.
Landayan, stop and pop.
And the ball will stay with Marikina. ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Alam mo yung saktong lamig na nakakumot ka rin. Torres. Ito sa...
Here comes the Knights.
Torres.
Hezi Pinoy step.
Unable to hit. Steal by Villapando. Diving for that loose ball. Nakuha ni Fortea. Steal by Escoto. 5 seconds.
Not a good shot as well. Makakatira pa San Juan.
Torres. That's short. And dyan nagtatapos ang ating first half.